Welcome to Motorcrest Showroom, where passion meets performance and timeless design takes center stage. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Suzuki T500 Cobra Neo Retro, a motorcycle that blends the soul of the legendary T500 Cobra with modern technology, engineering precision, and jaw-dropping aesthetics. The original Suzuki T500 Cobra from the late 1960s was a fearless two-stroke powerhouse, known for its robust build, smooth performance, and unique styling. It wasn't just a bike, it was a statement. For 2026, Suzuki has taken that legacy and reimagined it for a new generation, keeping the retro charm alive while injecting it with the kind of tech and refinement that today's riders demand. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 T500 Cobra Neo Retro looks like it just rolled out of Classic Motorcycle magazine, but the closer you get, the more modern details you discover. The frame has been re-engineered for lightweight rigidity, blending high-tensile steel with subtle aluminum reinforcements. The fuel tank retains the iconic teardrop shape of the original, but now features sleek paintwork options, brushed metal accents, and Suzuki's modern badging for a premium touch. The round LED headlamp and retro-inspired gauges strike the perfect balance between vintage character and cutting-edge functionality. Every surface, from the hand-stitched seat to the sculpted side covers, is designed to pay homage to its heritage, while still being comfortable and functional for long rides. Powering this beauty is a liquid-cooled 500cc parallel twin engine, designed to echo the torque-rich delivery of the original two-stroke, but now with a cleaner, more efficient four-stroke form. Suzuki has tuned it for a broad, responsive power band, making city commutes lively and highway cruising effortless. You can feel that old-school punch in the mid-range, yet enjoy modern refinement with minimal vibration and excellent fuel efficiency. The 6-speed transmission is smooth and precise, allowing riders to make the most of the engine's performance, while a slipper clutch reduces fatigue and adds confidence during aggressive downshifts. The exhaust note has been carefully tuned to capture that raspy, engaging sound that made the original Cobra so addictive, but now with a refined growl that meets modern noise and emission standards. On the technology front, Suzuki hasn't held back. The T500 Cobra Neo Retro features ride-by-wire throttle, selectable riding modes, and advanced traction control to keep you safe and in control no matter the conditions. ABS is standard, with high-performance disc brakes front and rear for confident stopping power. The suspension setup, a telescopic forks up front and dual rear shocks, delivers a blend of retro looks with modern damping performance, giving you a comfortable and planted ride whether you're on winding country roads or navigating urban streets. Rider ergonomics have been designed to suit a wide range of riders, with a slightly upright seating position for comfort, but with enough forward lean to feel sporty. The seat height is approachable, making it beginner-friendly while still satisfying experienced riders who want something stylish yet practical. Suzuki also offers a range of accessories for the T500 Cobra Neo Retro, including classic-style saddlebags, a cafe-tilted copyright racer seat cowl, and custom color options for those who want to make their bike stand out even more. Every detail has been considered to make this motorcycle both a daily rider and a collectible piece of art. In many ways, the 2026 T500 Cobra Neo Retro isn't just a motorcycle, it's a bridge between two eras. It carries the DNA of the past, with its unmistakable styling cues and emotional connection to a time when motorcycles were raw, mechanical, and unapologetically expressive. But it also steps firmly into the present, offering reliability, efficiency, and features that make it a joy to own in today's world. So whether you're a vintage enthusiast who remembers the original T500 Cobra roaring down the streets, or a younger rider looking for something that stands out in a sea of generic designs, this bike promises a riding experience that is as unique as it is thrilling. That's the 2026 Suzuki T500 Cobra Neo Retro, a machine that proves some legends never fade, they just come back stronger. And here at Motorcrest Showroom, we're proud to showcase this stunning blend of history and innovation.